If your Google AdSense account is deactivated, don't worry. We'll guide you through the reactivation process step by step. First, identify the reason for deactivation. It could be policy violations or invalid activity. Access your AdSense account and check the notifications. They will give you specific details. Next, prepare an appeal. Clearly explain why your account should be reactivated and follow the format outlined. Submit your appeal and be patient. It may take some time for Google to respond. Finally, if approved, follow any additional instructions provided. Welcome back to Earning. Remember, keeping your account in good standing requires following all policies and guidelines. Maintain the quality of your content to avoid issues in the future. Quality matters. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. Together, let's maximize your Google AdSense potential. Now, take these steps and get your AdSense account back into action. See you next time, and good luck on your journey.